Ladies and gentlemen, I have just instructed ChatGPT to write a letter for me to the Lord Mayor asking for authorization to throw a party in my neighborhood. Look at what it's doing. AI is taking over the secretary jobs. It's over. You can see it, right? And I've told it to download the letter. But let me first of all tell it to add my names and the date. Then download the letter. Okay. Our names are Mr. John. For the names, it has trouble. You can see that. But in the revised letter, you can see that it has actually done it very well, and the date of today. It wrote the letter very well, and it's going to actually give me a download link. The reason why it actually couldn't give me a download link is because I used ChatGPT Simple. So for you to download documents directly from ChatGPT, you have to use ChatGPT Code. Let me show you what that is. So you go to ChatGPT. Instead of default or plugins, you use advanced. Okay. Take the letter below and export it to MS Word, Microsoft Word, and give me a download link for it. It will do it very well. Then I remove the part which wasn't in the letter. Yeah, this, I'm sorry, whatever. Yeah, that's where the letter ended. Yes. You can see that it immediately jumped to the download link for the letter. Takes a while, but not as much as a human being. It's already done, and here is our letter. Let's download it. Of course, those are not my names, but it's done here. Hold on. Here is your letter to the mayor. Great, isn't it? You don't even have to edit anything. Maybe you can just put some bold and italic and underline. All this you can put in bold, and this, yeah. Then you sign, right? That's the letter. Request for authorization to host an evening party in Kachiru neighborhood. Dear Lord Mayor, I hope this letter finds you in the best of health and spirits. I'm Mr. John Rubaka. I'm a resident of Kachiru living at KK16ST9. I'm writing to seek your kind authorization to host a small gathering in our neighborhood tomorrow, Saturday evening from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. The purpose of this gathering is to celebrate an occasion with close friends and family members. I assure you that this will be a private event, and we have taken measures to ensure that there will be no public disturbance. We do not anticipate any need for police supervision, and we will be responsible for ensuring the safety and tranquility of the vicinity. Furthermore, we are committed to wrapping up the event by 1 a.m. as to not disturb the peace of the neighborhood during the late hours. I understand the importance of maintaining order and ensuring safety in our beloved city, and I'm more than willing to cooperate with any guidelines or conditions you might propose for the smooth conduct of this event. Your kind consideration and prompt approval will be greatly appreciated, as it would mean a lot to us to come together and celebrate. Thank you for your understanding and support. I'm looking forward to your positive response from your esteemed office. Warm regards, Mr. John Rubaka. That's the letter, done in less than 3 minutes, right? Super. So that's all about artificial intelligence replacing the jobs of secretaries. Man, it's happening. Take your decision. But that's all about chat.openai.com and secretaries. Take care.